Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay, and in this video we'll be talking about assigning students to houses. Now on this dashboard, using this dashboard we can carry out this activity. Now this button, you use this button to create to assign students to their various houses and also to view students by their assignment to different houses. Use this button. Now if you click on this button, we'll be presented with two options of doing this, either by creating it for a particular term or assigning students to houses for a particular term, or by viewing a particular set of students that have been assigned to a particular house previously for previous terms and taking them, all of them, I'm assigning to a house for the current term. Now if you look at this particular interface, we have this one is the current term. By default is to select the current term, that is 2014-2015 third term, and select that has, and it will list only those students that have not yet been assigned to houses for that particular term. Now we can select a particular house, let's say Oteejay house, or let's say Oteejay house, and assign some of those students to those terms. You can see their current houses. This one has never been assigned to a particular house, and this one has been, we are previously assigned to Oteejay house. This one of Oteejay. Now this other one never assigned to a particular house. We can choose that this one should be assigned to a house, and this one's house should be changed to Oteejay house for this particular 2014-2015 third term. Now we can submit that. Two of them are bordered. You can make one not to be bordered any longer, or you can still allow it to be like that. When you submit this particular update, we find out that two students were saved as members of Oteejay house. That's a Sanya Abaka is saved as for 2014-2015 third term Oteejay house, and he's a border. This other one is a day student. As you have, remember that you deactivated that particular checkbox. You can check the checkbox, and it's recorded as that I was the person that modified it. You can actually edit any of them. In case you just made a mistake, you can select and edit it. Maybe this particular checkbox you deactivated was wrong. You can activate it back and just reset this person as a border. You can see that it's references as a border. Now that is for creation by using the current term. Now you can also assign by using a previous term. Remember that two of them has left this page. Why? Because they have been assigned as they have been assigned to houses for this particular term. Using this functionality, we can assign you are creating for 2014-2015 third term. 2014, assigning students to houses for 2014-2015 third term. Now we are going to select from already existing students in 2014-2015 second term. Then let's say we select for the house the students that we were previously in the house in 2014-2015 second term. Then we want to push them to this particular to assign them to houses for that particular term. And if you look at this particular list, you find out that this one, the current term is the person was in federal house and is a day student for the house, in a border for the house day student. Then we can actually assign all of them to federal house again for this particular 2014-2015 third term. You can actually reassign them back again to federal house. So if you click on this, remember this one is not a border currently, this one is a border currently, this one is not a border. You can actually specify what you want, what your preferences in terms of their status as border. You can also view by houses, view students by houses. Now if you click on this particular link, we'll be presented with this place. Then we can select any of the houses to view the students that exist in those houses. This is Oteejay house, and in the Oteejay house we have this for third term 2014-2015. These are the students that exist there. That's the student that exists there. Remember that we just created these ones. You can download their information in Excel. You can actually choose different to view them by the different classes. Like now this one, we'll click on this UB3. We'll find out no student is in the house in that class, no student in but these two students are in SS2 and they are in Oteejay house. So that is how you can search for. And when you select something like this, you can download the Excel sheet and work on them. Maybe you want to have you want to work on their data or use them for anything. Now we have the students their record here. How that the student is assigning a worker, the house is a house, the term is this, the person that created it is this, and you can look for other thing, other houses. And at this juncture, we have come to the end of this tutorial. We look forward to seeing you in next tutorial. We encourage you to sign up your school on Scholars. Goodbye.